Military personnel in Upper Nile State have arrested 6 people including some officials following the recent protests in Malakal town, a local youth leader said. On Monday, government officials staged protests to oppose the idea of being transferred from the state capital to a newly created county headquarters. The administrative officers from Malakal municipality protested allegations that the mayor planned to kick them out in order to employ people who are not from the municipality. In their position statement, the protesters demanded the dismissal of the mayor of Malakal municipality. Local sources who spoke to iRadio say the protest turned violent and military personnel opened fire on demonstrators, killing a woman and injuring 7 others. They attacked the protesters and shot them indiscriminately, wounding 8 people, one of whom was martyred yesterday morning. She is a woman, said Moses Akue, a local youth leader. He further added that security operatives then arrested 6 of the protesters including a state MP, military officers and politicians. Some of the detainees are identified as legislator Yu Aong, Deputy Commissioner for Peace Affairs James Monadok, and Simon Hewitt, the Director General of Religious Affairs in Upper Nile State. One of them is a member of parliament. He was arrested without having his immunity removed. He is now detained by an order of the deputy governor. Then at the same moment, 4 of the injured were transferred to Juba this morning to receive further treatment. The youth leader Akue has called on the national government to intervene and release the detainees.